2006 Chevy Trailblazer with the 4.2 inline six. Today we're going to be replacing the drive belt. Let's get to it. Alright, over at the computer you can see I have the drive belt diagram pulled up. If you need to pause this to read it over, go ahead. Main crank, water pump, AC compressor, idler pulley, alternator, power steering pump, and this is your tensioner, which they should have done a better job illustrating, but I guess they only do the pulleys. But this is your tensioner right on this side, and to get that tensioner loose, we're going to be utilizing a drive belt removal tool with a 3/8 head. Alright, we can see our tensioner located right down there. Get my camera situated. And this 3/8 head will slip right into the little square opening it has on its surface, and then we just pry it down. Reach over here and flip it off the power steering pump. And we have it completely off, and as you can see, the only pulley it's on right now is the crank. So what you want to do when you install the new one is reach down there, wrap it around the crank, and pull your slack up here, and you'll be able to put the rest of it on fairly easily. Finish pulling this off the crank. Ta-da. Let go. For our new drive belt, we'll be installing the DriveWorks 905K6. Like I was just saying, first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab ourselves a big loop. We're going to reach down here, put it around the main crank pulley. Wish I could see my hands. Alright. And from there we'll go over the water pump, reach down to the AC compressor on the right side. Or I guess I should say driver's side. Make sure that that stays on the water pump. Come around our idler, over the over the alternator, like so. And then we can put our final loop right over here. Start it on the top of the power steering pump. Go ahead and bring our tensioner down and finish sliding it onto the power steering pump. Make sure all the rivs are lined up, looking good, and remove our tool, and we're done. That's pretty much how you do the drive belts on any of these 4.2 inline six engines from Chevy. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.